Oh, there's a double. Same place.
Whoa! Shit, that was nice. Got that one on camera.
This is so cool. All the people at prom are missing this.
Oh, sucks for them.
I know.
They're at prom.
They're like, Claire, we did this thing that you really wanted to do while you were at prom.
Did she really want to do that?
No.
Okay.
But we did that thing.
You did that thing you
Oh!
Oh,
Holy shit.
no!
Holy crap, that was a good one.
Gorgeous.
Oh, man.
I think it was this music too.
Completely not unfitting. It's perfect. Oh, that was nice.
See, this is when I want this apartment out of glass.
That sounds really bad.
Bulletproof. Bulletproof glass.
Okay, I was like, what is in the car accident?
No, but like right now, it'd be so cool.
Yeah. It's like a dome on the roof.
Yeah. Welcome to the Mugar Omni car.
Oh my god, I would so buy that car.
The Mugar Omni car. That is great. Well, now this guy's turning blue. It used to be purple.
Yeah.
And you can see the clouds.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. That's really weird. It's recording blue now instead of purple. Alright, now it's purple again.
Well, it's right behind it. It's right behind like a shade of clouds.
Oh, that's nice. No. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I'm getting a good view there.
Oh, wow.
What about chairs?
No. No, it's not a good idea to sit outside.
No, it's not.
Rubber chairs.
Yeah.
And not touch their feet. Whoa!
Oh, so cool. I'm gonna kill you.
Don't kill it, poor thing. Not even,
Kill it, how are we gonna get back?
not even alive to start.
Oh, that one traveled up. That was so cool. Like, I actually saw it move up the clouds. Oh, wow! Did you see that one up there?
Yes.
That was incredible! You just look out the window. If you look like straight out, there are some good ones.
Whoa! Oh my god.
I see colors there.
Whoa! Wow! I have to close the window. I'm getting. I'm afraid now.
That was so cool!
I'm not afraid.
Ah!
Come back!
I'm going over here. Alright, there's nothing good going on over here.
I've never seen a storm like this before.
There have been lightning storms before. There's.
But I've never seen one. Oh.
That was cool. That one like traveled across the sky.
Yeah, this is the best one.
Yeah, I've seen lightning storms, but not as good as this one.
I've only seen thunderstorms. Really, a hook. Oh! That was like Bane.
Oh, that's gone. Okay.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna take one more later to footage here.
Only a tree line collapse.
No, that was a car driving behind us. Good perception.
Kind of like...
No, it did sound like a tree limb a little bit, but it was a car. I only know because I saw it.
Oh. I'm gonna focus over here because you can see the bolts nicely over here.
Go straight up, though. Straight up is nice.
Oh, I want the veins to be like, those are cool.
I thought of it.
Alright, I want a bolt right over here, guys. Let's go. Whoever's controlling this shit. Ah, there we go. Needs to control it a little more and get me a bolt on camera here.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Alright. I'm done. I can't get any more. Nice.
Those like pictures are not the same.
Yeah.
These aren't pictures.
Video?
I mean,
It was a video. So I recorded every single thing. And it's still recording.
oh, wow.
No, I missed it!
Wow! Incredible.
I can't figure out how to stop recording here. Stop menu.
So it also hears all of the